Did you know poor communication is one of the biggest reasons Agile teams fail? In Agile, communication isn't optional. It's the foundation of success. First, face-to-face communication is the most effective. Direct interaction reduces misunderstandings and speeds up decision-making. Second, simple tools like whiteboards are powerful for collaboration. They help teams visualize ideas, track progress, and stay aligned. Third, information radiators keep everyone informed in real time. They display key information so the entire team stays aware and aligned. Examples include Kanban boards, burn-up charts, and burn-down charts. These tools make progress, delays, and blockers visible to everyone. Fifth, transparency is key in Agile communication. Everyone should clearly see what's happening, what's next, and what's blocked. Sixth, communication works both physically and digitally. Whether remote or in person, visibility and simplicity must always be maintained. Good communication reduces confusion and keeps everyone aligned. Poor communication creates delays, misunderstandings, and project risks. Agile reduces these risks through continuous and transparent communication.
In Agile, communication means clarity, visibility, and no surprises.
The simpler the communication, the stronger the team performance. Want to master PMP and ACP Agile the smart way? Subscribe now and start learning practically.